English conversation. What is your name? My name is Alex. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. Can you dance? No, I can't dance. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I love chocolate. Where is your bag? My bag is on the table. Are you free today? Yes, I am free today. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a pet dog. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. What? Where is your phone? My phone is in my pocket. Are you feeling well? Yes, I feel well. Do you have pen? Yes, I have a pen. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. Can you read this? Yes, I can read it. Do you play games? Yes, I play games sometimes. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Where is your house? My house is near the park. Can you write your name? Yes, I can write my name. Do you like rain? Yes, I like rain. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Do you take the bus? Yes, I take the bus to school. Are you sleepy? No, I'm not sleepy. Do you like flowers? Yes, I like flowers. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy food. Can you cook pasta? Yes, I can cook pasta. Do you play basketball? No, I play football instead. Can you ride a horse? No, I have never tried. Tried, sorry. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming in the. Do you read books? Yes, I read books every week. Can you speak loudly? Yes, I can speak loudly if needed. Do you like cats? Yes, I like cats very much. Can you dance? A little, but not very well. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea more than coffee. Do you go shopping often? Yes, I go shopping every weekend. Can you use a computer? Yes, I use a computer every day. Do you like pizza? Yes, I pizza is my favorite food. Can you play chess? No, I don't know how. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling to new places. Do you drink water often? Yes, I drink a lot of water daily. Can you whistle? Yes, I can whistle. Do you like to sing? Yes, I enjoy singing sometimes. Do you eat fast food? Sometimes, but not too often. Can you run fast? Yes, I can run very fast. Do you like winter? Yes, I like cold weather. Can you draw well? No, I'm not good at drawing. Do you have a bicycle? Yes, I have a red bicycle. Can you cook rice?